I'll be showing you guys how to delete a photo on TikTok. So for you to get started, go to your TikTok account. So I'll open TikTok right here. So you can see I'm already on my profile right here. So you want to go ahead and tap on whatever video or post you want to delete. So I just tap on this post right here. Once I tap on it, so let me use this volume. For you to delete this post, just come to where you have these three dots right here. Once you click on the three dots, so you can see what we have right here: analytics, add to story. So just swipe to the left till you find the delete button. So you can see the delete button right here. So over here you can see we have delete and re-edit, and we have delete. Peradventure you want to like add more things to the post and then repost, then you go ahead and click the first one. But for you to delete the post itself, just go ahead and click on the second one, and you have the privilege to like restore the post within 30 days from your activity center in the settings. So I just go ahead and click on delete, and the posts will be deleted from my profile. So can you see it is no longer on my profile? And that is basically how I get to delete TikTok posts or videos. So if you got value guys, ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.